One lap in. Got a bit of a smoky hole down there. Oh yeah.
Day 2.
Day 2. FML. Keep it right! Oh, I farted. I'll drive this up. Oh yeah! Truly kept it right. Day 2. Got home at 3 AM. JB roll just cut.
Jason's Uber services for the 32 up, my beloved 32. Gotta look after it, I'm gonna beat that ass.
Oh yeah!
She's a bit low.
Shout out to JB Rogers, running the race control this weekend and doing an amazing job.
As always. I'll claim it. I know I do a good job.
Hopefully get some laps in the pink boy today. Hopefully don't hadage those rubber band tyres off the round.
The no gap.
I did bring a spare bucket seat because
We got fat ass.
both our asses were paining. It's not even a real explanation, but they're paining. After last Reetsuri, so probably slap that ass in there. Passengers, they can deal with the paining. And yeah, straight on track.
41 degrees.
Try for Jason.
Oh, what's that? He got 2.5 laps and it's broken already. That's a long day.
Yeah, nice big juicy one, first cylinder. Are you kidding me? Why?
Oh.
How? What? Nothing changed. It's a fresh tune. It's 3-2. No idea. Not sure. I'll suss when we get back in. Can't win, mate.
Bloody Jason.
Corey and I'll go get the 34 now. Get back by finish.
One lap in. Got a bit of a smoky hole down there. Oh yeah.
Yeah, copy that.
The rainer. Oh, hang on. That's digger.
Watch out, all race work.
Fun while it lasted. I think that's a record.
Yeah.
Record, 3 laps.
3 laps. Fastest engine failure.
I reckon we'll go home and get the next car. Get the 34 now.
Yeah, get the next one. And then fuck that one up as well.
The ride of shame. Traffic jams caused. Oh yeah.
What did you do?
She gone. You got a nice big hole. You got a nice big hole in there. It was definitely worth the 5-hour round trip, 3 AM get home for 3 laps. So good times.
You could hear him squeal.
We're out.
Oh, still on fire. Still on fire.
I was seeing as the 32 is Gonski. May as well go around and introduce you to some drivers that we've got down here. So right here, he's just his motor was just on fire, but it doesn't matter. We got Trent Bennett. He's doing right with the motor today.
Howdy guys, this is a 180 SX with a built Pro Race 6 litre, 480 on low boost at the moment.
Mitch Cowan, main man Zach. Just put an engine in at 4 o'clock this morning, so, and then maybe
Yeah, so
a
she was
lift
getting
up.
a bit of a bottom end knock or something, was it yesterday?
Yeah,
Was it?
down at bottom end, so pulled this motor out of my patrol at home and tweaked it in this morning.
So it's a bit more of a mission than what we did. So the R32 is all loaded up, so I can forget about that thing. And let's go see some more people. We've got Aaron Dewar here, his S14 Beast. Give us a little bit of info on this thing. And
This is my S14.
V8 carby dizzy, makes around about 900 horsepower. Turn it to 9.5, so it's pretty cool. Hopefully, you can get you an R Series too, Battle Royale. Yeah, I definitely want to jump in this thing too. She's noisy as hell.
Hours later.
Oh yeah. Gonna go take Damo, old mate with the NASCAR VF front 33 tank. Oh yeah. I think it's got 400 kilo, I don't know. He wants me to take it for a drive. He's got the same gearbox that's gonna go on the barrel wags, the G-Force dog box. So let's see if I can kill another motor. We hope that you all don't pack up and leave too early because we've got presentation of awards and whatnot of drivers over the weekend doing different things of interest and yeah, so come up to the Penrite thing for presentation. Thanks.
How's that?
So that is event wrapped up. It's actually cooled down. So it's supposed to be like 500 degrees today. It's actually 41. Oh yeah. Mad wrap up. Everyone's stoked. Always awkward. Stay awkward. Now for a long trip home. Actually I'm going to stay up here tonight because but we still got to pack out everything. But drivers did amazing. Volunteers did amazing. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Let's go. Eugene Crab.